Hello and welcome. In this scene, we are going to demonstrate the conditions that will cause game objects to collide or raise a trigger event. For simplicity, we will set the camera projection in this scene to orthographic. Let's hide the two anchors by disabling the mesh renderer components on them. To gather evidence of collisions and trigger events, a script has been attached to the ball game object, which will display the back messages in the console window. In Unity, collider components are attached to game objects in order for the physics engine to simulate collisions on the game object when it comes in contact with another game object. For a collision to occur, the two colliding game objects must both have a collider component, and at least one of them must have a rigid body component. You can set the is_trigger property of a collider component to true. In this case, the game object behaves as an intangible object that occupies space. When it comes in contact with another game object, the physics engine does not simulate collision. Instead, a trigger event occurs when their spaces overlap. Making one rigid body have greater mass than another does not make it fall faster in free fall. The drag property affects the rate of free fall. A low drag value makes an object seem heavy, a high one makes it seem light. A physics material is used to adjust friction and bouncing effects of colliding objects. Some components do not fully support non-uniformly scaled game objects. Take for example, a non-uniformly scaled sphere. Each sphere collider will always be spherical, never elliptical. And so either such a game object will hit another object before its collider will hit it, or its collider will enter the space of another object when the game object itself has not yet overlapped with that object. When an object is under physics control, it moves semi-independently of the way its transform parents move. If you move any parents, they will pull the rigid body child along with them. However, the rigid bodies will still fall down due to gravity and react to collision events. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.